Today is day 7 from the procedure Smart FUE, and he has a colleague here. So this is a very special technique that we use. We planted according to the angle and direction of the hair. We maintain the density at the frontal temple angle here and also here. So he wanted this design around here, so we planted according to what patient wanted. So then we create some zigzag or irregularity here so that it looks very natural.
Very happy and I love the hair design. Good job, Dato', and amazing. Thank you.